Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add taxes on Wix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on my Wix dashboard, so I'll be showing you guys how you can add taxes from here. Now, what you're going to want to do once you're at your dashboard is go to this left panel and go to the bottom and click on settings. Once you're here, you'll see this menu, and under general, you're going to find the invoices and quotes option. Just click on that, and once you're there, you'll see this screen over here. You can set up the company ID, your currency, and the default payment terms. And once you're here, you can also see the taxes menu at the bottom. As you can see, currently I do not have any taxes, but I can very easily add them by clicking add new tax. Here you need to add the tax name. You can name it whatever you want. And for example, I'll just name it VAT. And as you can see, I'll add the rate as 15%. And as you can see, it doesn't need to be an actual name for a tax, I'm pretty sure. Or it looks like it doesn't. But as you can see, you can name it whatever you want and make the rate whatever you want. As you can see, the tax name is BAT, the rate is 15%, and that is how you set up a new tax. You can also click edit to change whatever you want. I'll rename it to VAT and make it 16%. And as you can see, this is what it looks like right now. And you can also delete your taxes by clicking the three dots, clicking delete, and then delete again. And that's all there is to it. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.